Hi everyone, welcome to the Courchevel Coffee House. We have Jean-Francois, our barista, here to show us how to use this amazing machine. Let's take it away, Jean-Francois. What's the first step?
Turn it on.
Turn it on. And then what are we looking for here?
So, few things. Brewing temperature.
Which should be at what?
Ballpark is 200.
Okay.
Unless you know what you're doing, just don't touch it. The red light here is the steamer boiler. So this is a dual boiler machine. So there's a boiler for brewing and there's a boiler for steaming.
Okay.
We only heat one at a time. So we either heat the steamer boiler or the brewing boiler. This is the steaming pressure, and this is the brewing pressure. Right now the machine is already kind of warm, so we're at 197.
How long does it typically take for the machine to warm up?
About half an hour.
About half an hour, okay. So in the morning you've got to come down, flip that switch, and then make your breakfast and all that before. Okay.
Yes. So we're now ready to make coffee.
Okay.
So if the cup is not warm enough, you can take hot water out here, and then you let your cup sit here. So that's gonna warm up the cup. The group set here is warm already, so the portafilter should be warm. So now we're gonna grind some coffee here. Okay. So we turn the coffee grinder on.
Okay.
Good thing is to use a scale. We want 18 grams.
Okay, 18 grams for one espresso?
Yes. There you go. 18 grams. Put that in the grinder. Then we grind.
And I'm just pointing out that to notice how he's wiggling it so the grounds stay in there.
Yeah. So get the last bit out. Alright, there you go. Come on. There you go. Some more. Okay. So here the coarseness is adjust like a little bit shy on the 10, which is kind of ballpark, but it changed from grain to grain.
Okay, wait. Okay.
And now we apply what should be about 20 pounds of pressure.
Perfectly measured.
Perfectly measured. Put that back.
And then you want to make sure, what do you just do right now?
Now I'm wiping out the coffee off the ring here, because that's where the seal goes in the machine.
Yes. Don't want to get that dirty. Okay.
So I put it here. So I prepared this, but I'm not gonna brew right now because we're gonna froth some milk, and I just want to be able to brew right when we finish frothing. So we're taking some milk.
All right.
For the cup we have, it's good to have 4 ounces of milk.
And the ounces are right here on the side of the cup. And here's a thermometer.
So we have a thermometer. So we're gonna froth until 100 degree, and then we're gonna steam until 120, which is gonna bring then with the inertia of the sensor to about a little bit over 140. We remove the water condensation in the one.
then what do you need to do after you steam the milk?
Always purge, because you don't want milk to rot in there. And then you wipe it nice.
Okay.
Now we have the milk that's frothed. I like to use a scale to pull the espresso. Flush the extra water. We towel. And then we automatic timer, so we can check how long it takes to pour. And then we go. I usually do a ratio of 2-to-1. So I'm gonna stop at 36 grams of coffee here. And I hope to be at 25-second extraction time. But this one is going a little fast today. I forgot to adjust the grinder a little bit, because that special coffee, the kicking horse, should be ground a little bit finer. But that should be good enough. And then we pour.
And there you have it, the final cup of Courchevel Coffee House coffee. All right, so now for the fun part, how to clean up.
So we just finished pouring, so gently remove. We have the pocket of coffee. Right now we just throw that in the garbage. Clean it nice. That's good. There's always some ground here under, so just pour it a little bit. See how brown it comes? Just a little quick, and then that's it. And then we turn it off once we're done.
Beautiful.